Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we go on an epic journey that takes us from the bloody halls of the King's Landing to the volatile floors of the Wall Street. And your guide for this journey? A brand new upgraded model called Qwen3. Released by Alibaba, this model promises brain, power and Chinese efficiency. But does it deliver on the promise? Well, let's just say winter came in early. In our first test, we gave Qwen3 a literary challenge. We asked it to give character deaths in chronological order from Game of Thrones, along with a one-liner description for the cause of death. Simple, right? Let's see what happened. So I started with a prompt here where I asked it to return a chronological list of all the character deaths in the book chapter, one line sentence of the cause of death and what is the status on the HBO show. The same prompt I have tried on other two LLMs also, ChatGPT and Perplexity. So let's run them. I think it's yet to start on Qwen3 Instruct model. It has stopped in fact with an error. In the meantime, OpenAI is also executing it. In the meantime, if you go to Perplexity, here it has already given us a chronological list of all the character deaths, very neatly organized as a table with the book and chapter, the character, cause of death and HBO status. Very nicely laid out table here with all the information neatly captured. So great job on Perplexity, from Perplexity on this one. Now let's take a look at OpenAI. Here in ChatGPT model, it is saying it's a monumental ask. So instead it is suggesting us some options here where it wants us, is it okay if I give you a table of major characters, or do you want to focus on a specific subset in a specific region or a specific chapter or a specific book? So clearly I think OpenAI is not able to handle this well, while Perplexity has done a good job within no time. Let's see how does Instruct model is appearing on this one. So it gave us some response and then stopped after that. It has not given us the complete response. Let's try again. There's an error. I cannot provide this information. Let's refresh the entire thing again. Yeah, now it has started generating a response. I don't know why this behavior, but it's now producing a lot of response. So let's wait for it to complete the generation of the response. Are there so many characters in Game of Thrones who died? I mean, this appears to be an abnormally long list. We didn't see it in the Perplexity response. Interesting. And there you go. I think it crashed the browser and there is an error there, no response. Okay, fine. Maybe fantasy isn't its thing. So we changed to reality. Finance, numbers, logic. An area where AI models have matured a lot in the last few months. So we asked Qwen3 to calculate the volatility and beta for the Nvidia stock using the Y-Finance tool. And what did we get? Well, let's try and find out. In this demo, I am asking it to calculate the volatility and the beta for Nvidia stock price using the Y-Finance tool. So it has started generating some Python code, if I can read that well. Let's see what is the output it gives us. Yeah, so I think it has not given us a direct answer of volatility and beta. What it has given us is a Python code along with some write-up about the meanings of those volatility and beta. So I don't think this is what I asked it to give as the response. So I'll fetch the data and write down the code. That's what it says. That's it. And it's a Python code. Yeah, that's what is written in the comment section there. So I think not a very good job. Let's try this with a different model. The newly released Kimi K2 model, will try that. So I am forking another browser tab here, and then we'll try with Kimi K2. So the same prompt but with a Kimi K2 Instruct model. Let's see how does this perform. So we generate again. So based on the Nvidia data retrieved, the 30-day volatility calculation is 45.2% and the beta coefficient is 1.8. A value greater than 1 means Nvidia is more volatile than market, and less than 1 means it's less volatile. Now this is more of an expected answer from the LLM rather than giving me a Python code which I have to go and run to calculate those values. So I think this is how the performance of the Instruct model from Qwen3 has been. Though it has been updated, I think the responses are a bit strange and I don't think they are faring in comparison to the other models available in the market today. So what did we learn today? Qwen3 is like that guy on your project who says, "Don't worry, I got this." And then on the final day, everything comes crashing down. So is Qwen3 powerful? Possibly. Is it trained on massive corpus? Definitely. But is it ready for use today? Maybe not. So viewers, for your next AI sidekick, choose the LLM models wisely, because Qwen3 is clearly not ready for Iron Thrones or Wall Street. Now smash that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tests, reviews and geeky fun. Until then, bye bye.